Welcome to Everyday Conversations. I'm Sarah, and today we have a new guest with us, Ethan.
Thanks for having me. I'm happy to be here.
We haven't met before, right?
No, this is our first time talking.
How do you feel right now? Nervous? Relaxed?
A little nervous, but good nervous.
That's normal for first meetings.
I agree.
How did your morning start today?
I woke up late and rushed a little.
Happens to all of us.
Yeah, mornings can be tough sometimes.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
Coffee, for sure, it wakes up my brain.
Same here.
Without coffee, the world looks blurry.
So, where are you from?
I'm from a big city, lots of noise, lots of traffic,
That's relatable.
but I still love it.
What do you do for work?
I work in tech support, mostly helping people fix stuff.
Sounds useful.
It keeps me busy and teaches patience.
What do you usually do after work?
Mostly rest and watch videos, sometimes I read.
Simple evenings are the best.
I agree.
How about weekends? Any routine?
I sleep longer, clean my room, and go out for food.
That sounds nice.
Nothing dramatic, just normal life.
Do you have a big social circle?
Not really, small and close.
Quality over quantity.
Exactly.
Are you comfortable talking here now?
Yes, much more than at the start.
Good. That's the goal.
You're doing a great job hosting.
What kind of food do you like?
Mostly simple food, not too spicy.
I'm the same.
Simple food is underrated.
Do you cook or eat out more?
I cook a little, but I eat out often.
Saves time.
Saves dishes too.
What stresses you the most on a regular day?
Traffic and deadlines.
To universal problems.
I'm sure everyone relates.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, mostly soft and calm music.
Nice choice.
Loud music gives me headaches.
Do you exercise?
I try to walk every day.
Walking is great.
Best stress medicine, free of cost.
Are you online a lot?
Yes, more than I should be.
Everyone is these days.
Internet feels like another world.
Do you like social media?
Not really, I use it, but I don't love it.
Fair answer.
It's useful, but also noisy.
Do you observe people?
All the time, I find it interesting.
Same here. You learn a lot quietly.
Exactly.
How do you feel about this conversation overall?
It felt natural, simple, and easy.
That's exactly what we aimed for.
Then you succeeded.
Thank you for being here today, Ethan.
Thank you for inviting me, I enjoyed it.
And thank you to everyone watching.
Have a calm day, everyone.